Today we're unboxing the new Ozonics HR600. So let's jump right in. So obviously you got the box. So when you open this thing up right off the bat, you're gonna find a tray on the inside. That's where really all the good stuff is. So once you get that tray, chuck the box. So first thing you're gonna see, HR600. So one of the big things that we always mention is, and we've actually made it a bit more obvious, there's gonna be a sticker covering the terminals on that battery. So when you first pull that HR600 out of the box, make sure that you pull this sticker off the battery. The other thing to mention is that you need to make sure that you charge this battery all the way up before the first time you hunt, but we'll get that to here in a second. Okay, so HR600, the battery. From there, you're gonna find your AC cord. You're gonna find a manual quick start guide. Take some time to look through this. There's a lot of really good information in here about how to set it up in a tree stand, how to set up in a ground blind, how to set up the Ozonics at, how to pair your remote, really the functionality, all the different parts of your Ozonics unit. So take some time to look through that quick start guide. There's a bunch of great information in here that can really help you when you start hunting with that new HR600. Decal for your truck. And then from there, we've got your overmold T-handle tree screw. You've got your easy mount. The easy mount connects on the quarter 20 on the bottom of your HR600. You're gonna use an Allen wrench. The Allen wrench isn't included, but again, you just thread it on, it connects right on the bottom there. From there, you're gonna open up the other side of the box, and that's where you're gonna find your smart arm mounting system, and you're gonna find your power supply. And again, the tray. You're gonna connect your AC cord to your power supply, and then you're gonna plug that into a 110 outlet. Once you do that, you're gonna see on the power supply, there's a little light here that's gonna light up green, letting you know that's ready to go. From there, you can take that Ozonics battery and just fit that in the bottom of your unit. You're gonna see there's actually little indicators to make sure that you put that battery in the right way. If you try to put it in upside down, it won't work. It's keyed, so you just can't do it. So again, make sure you got that battery in correctly. Once that's all plugged in, the AC cord, the power supply, you can uncover this little like rubber housing here, and then you just plug it into the back. And then that's gonna go solid red when it's charging, and then when it's done, it's gonna go solid green. So again, that's pretty much everything you need. Just again, make sure that you've got your Ozonics HR600, make sure you take that sticker off your battery, make sure you grab your smart arm mounting system, your T-handle tree screw, connect that easy mount on the back of your HR600, connect up your power supply and AC cord, charge that battery, read through the manual, put the sticker on the back of the truck. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, check us out at ozonics.com or give us a call at 979-285-2401. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and good luck out there.